Hello, Safety John here with AIM Transportation Solutions, bringing you your weekly safety bulletin. This week's focus is going to be on the annual CVSA Brake Safety Week occurring August 24th through August 30th of 2025. Inspectors will be looking at brake components and brake systems, but specifically focusing on brake rotors and brake drums. Some of what they'll be looking for are broken or damaged brake drums, excessive rust on rotors, air lines that are rubbing or chafing, and they'll be listening for any audible air leaks as they inspect the vehicle. So remember, driver managers, dispatchers, when you speak to your drivers, remind them to do their pre-trip inspections, post-trip inspections, and don't forget the en route inspection throughout the course of the day. So the bottom line, as the saying goes, brake safety can save your life. Drive safely, and we'll see you next week.